Okay, we're going to put the secondary hard drive, which is a spinning platter hard drive, into the sled that goes in the chassis using these 4 screws that were taped to this and a medium-sized Phillips head screwdriver. I'm wearing the anti-static strap. The hard drive was in an anti-static bag. The screws were taped to that bag. Now, this is an anti-static mat in my engineering lab. So this mat, this blue mat, is conductive, so static can't build up on it, which is why it's safe to put a hard drive down on here. If you don't have an anti-static surface, you don't want to do this on a piece of plastic, on a rug, on a countertop. Even if it's a desk that has like a plastic top, you don't want to do it there. If you don't have an anti-static mat, what you can do is get a piece of tin foil that's about 1.5 feet long. Just put a piece of tin foil down on your surface, and if you're grounded to a piece of metal nearby, and a piece of metal literally you can take a kitchen pot from the kitchen and put it on put it over there on, just put it down, and if the alligator clip is on a metal pot, that's enough of a ground so that you're not going to zap anything. Doesn't take a lot of metal, doesn't have to be the earth, doesn't have to be a chassis. Literally a cooking pot is enough metal to ground you. Okay, so take the drive. You have removed the sled, and the sled is in the chassis in this position. You just squeeze these 2 tangs. Just squeeze them a little bit, that's all. Just squeeze a little and it'll pull right up out of the chassis. That's all it takes. Okay, so you take one of these. There's connectors on one side of the drive, not on the other side. You want the connectors on the side that has the two tangs that you squeeze. And you line up the 4 holes on the bottom, like that. Once they're lined up, put one of the screws in, but don't tighten it down. Now, put another screw in, line it up, put another screw in, give it a couple of turns, but don't tighten it down. The reason you don't tighten it down is, if you tighten it down, you can't line up the other holes. Put it in, screw it a little bit, don't tighten it down. Put the last one in, lining it up, and once all 4 are in, then you can go ahead and give it a good, not too tight, doesn't have to be too tight, just cinch it down. Here we go, just cinch it down. Don't squeeze on the drive, don't press on the drive very hard, gentle touch on the drive. Okay, that's it. Now this drive is ready to be installed into your chassis.